Hey everybody, sorry it's been dark, it's 11 already because, we have a new school today on Wednesday on the 4th, July, on the 4th, it's gonna be fireworks a lot, and then, we decided to stay home, relaxing, and then come back Thursday and Friday, 2 more days. And that's it. And I hope you enjoy your fun, your fireworks, being loud because we're trying to have to go to sleep every day. And do it nighttime, please, because it's not too loud. Because we're trying to have to go to sleep. And so I don't want my dogs to get scared right now. And so I just put my sunscreen on, and then Friday, not Friday, I'm gonna go see a Hotel Transylvania for a summer vacation, and I'm gonna take Saturday with me and my mother go see it, and then it's gonna good luck for that. And who's gonna be that movie is Joe Jonas. That's right, Joe Jonas is gonna be on the movie on it. I hope you guys watch it all the time. And so, good luck, have fun with the fireworks.